Wow. I noticed that there's a lot less people spamming exclamation point extension in my Twitch chat than there was in Ludwig's stream today. Who would have thought? Ugh. YouTube is, or not YouTube, Google Chrome. There's this stupid bug in it. This stupid bug. Oops. Ludwig has a live stream going, by the way, that is unlisted that you guys can join for test purposes. It has a stupid bug that I think I fixed, but basically, like, my code that overwrites the chat to include emotes, like, half the time it doesn't run, and the way to fix it is to just reload this iframe until it works. Like, do this over and over until it works in the code. So it's fine. I fixed it now. Yo. Who's here? You guys ready to do some testing? Tukon, thank you for the 12 months. Josh, thank you for the 10 months. Message me, yes. All right, chat. Join this unlisted live stream. Let's get some emotes in the chat so we can make sure it's working on my end. Spook Don't Twitch, thank you for the Prime. Yo, anyone who has a Prime sub that hasn't used it because they used to use it on Ludwig, my stream is literally right here. You're already here. Might as well use it. All right, so a couple of improvements right off the bat. We got color-coded names, which I think is a huge help, right? Okay, the emotes are literally not working. I don't know why that is. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Let's see. It might be that I just need to refresh. So you can see as soon as the page loads, it basically reloads the chat until it works. Okay, the emotes aren't working, but the badges are. Isaac, thank you for the 8 months of tier 1. Aaron SD, thank you for the 2 months. Hype train, let's go. Philiodontis, thank you for the tier 1. All right. What's live chat versus top chat? I'm not doing this, Puyo. Zach, thank you for the 2 months. What the fuck happened to my emotes? It's either not loading the emotes and so it just doesn't have any, or what is it? Failed to fetch. It's failing to fetch the emotes. So if I reload this, it should try to fetch them again? No? Failed to fetch. Why is it just failed to fetch? It's not even saying why it failed to fetch. So if we go to this URL right here, mogultv.ludwig.gg/gateway/emotes, here's the emotes. So why is it failing to fetch them? It can't be cores. It's literally in a service worker in the extension backend. No, I'm not referencing Twitch's code base. That is, like, illegal as fuck. Vonod, thank you for the 9 months of Prime. What am I doing here? Why is this not working? We're going to turn it off and on again? Okay, it's working now. Yeah, we got emotes. Okay, PogChamp. Emotes seem to be fully working. And it's good that we have some channel members in here because I need you guys in particular to test if the badges work. Samoy, thank you for the Prime. I just realized I literally don't have FFZ installed anymore because I was testing Twitch stuff. All right. Yeah, I also added the Twitch moderator badges just because it stands out more. And if I type something, I got my fancy check mark and all that. Pretty sick. I'm on top of chat. What? Is my stream weird? I'm on top chat. And I should be on live chat? Oh god, what is this? Oh shit. Oh, big bug, big bug. It seems to be eternally loading an iframe. And that's because, oh shit. Okay. Gotta fix this. Gotta fix this real quick. Mad Nick, thank you for the 1 month of tier 1. Alright, here's what I need to do to fix this. I have to go to the part where it's injecting into Twitch. Not into Twitch. I keep on thinking like Twitch is the main thing and YouTube is the secondary thing, but it's the opposite. Tibia0, thank you for the prime. Holy shit, this is a pretty big hype train. Yeah, so this is like one line of code, fixes it. So I think I'll do just fucking more hacky stuff and window.location.href.includes live chat. Build another release here. I don't have anything leaky in my environment variables. So I could just do this. Okay. I'm actually going to remove this and just load the unpacked one from here. Boom. Reload. Okay, now. Timeout box. Thank you for the 6 months. Okay, we go into the infinite reload loop real quick. Yeah, it usually happens 3 times. Yeah, weird. Okay, emotes are literally gone again? What the fuck? Reboot it? I don't know if that's a thing now. That they just don't work. What's that? X equals. That's it's a font called Fira Code or Fira Code or whatever. What the fuck is going on here? Okay, wait, we do this. Connect with Twitch. Oh, I have a shit ton of windows open. Why is this not working? The extension backend is like crashed or something. What? What is going on here? Oh, I changed this back. Wait, no, I didn't change this back. I'm 90% sure that this is like, this is not going to happen when it actually goes live because I'm pretty sure my environment is just wrong. Like, there's nothing going on in this page. The background script is empty. So it just didn't load. It didn't compile it or something? No, it compiled it all right. Okay, we're just turning it off and on again and it works now? Magically? What? Now it's not reloading it? I'm so pissed at Google Chrome. I used to think it was a good browser, and now I understand how bad it is. Okay, now it's not. Now the emotes are not working again. What is going on? Like, I literally haven't even given the extension to anyone else yet. And it's already fucked. Okay, we're removing this. Boom. We're going to pack the extension because it worked when I was packing it, and now it's not working anymore. Pack, proceed, okay. Drag this in. Add extension. Okay. Reload. Oh, it's because it's the wrong ID. It's the wrong ID when I don't pack it. That's why. Okay, this is fine, chat. This is actually fine. This is my thank you for the Prime sub. All of that was just because I wasn't packing the extension. And now... Oh, there we go. It still didn't work, though. All right, we connect with Twitch. Change our identity to Twitch. Theater mode can be toggled like this. Okay. I think I'm ready to give this to people. I can just give you... I have a feeling that it doesn't work when you load a packed Chrome extension on Windows, though. Lil Chill, thank you for the Prime sub. Okay, well, I'm just going to drop this in my Discord's general chat right now. Graham Crackers, thank you for the tier 1. Copy the link here. Someone else can do that. Okay. I posted it in Discord General. If anyone can install it, well, to install you have to go to Chrome extensions, this URL up here, and then just drag it in. And it might not let you, but it should. You might have to turn on like developer mode. Worked on Opera GX, okay. This extension is not listed in the Chrome Web Store and may have been added without your knowledge. It's literally not, though. I don't know. If you go into details, maybe you can do it. I know this is a Windows thing. Yeah, this is what I was worried about. I know if you're on Linux or if you're on like Opera GX or something, it'll work. Okay, but for those of you who have installed it, which is like 2 people, see if it works on this link is the big ask. What is this CRX required proof missing? You need to modify your local policies. Ah. Okay, if anyone wants to try to do this, you may go to... Okay, here, wait. We're going to open up regedit. Okay, here we are in your registry editor. So what you're going to want to do, we're just going to walk through this guide. We go to HKey local machine, software, WoW 6432 node. Oh, I literally don't have it. Google Chrome extensions. Wait, this is not right. This literally wouldn't even work. You need to modify your local policies. Okay, if you really, really want to test this, use Opera. Or just like Google this, Google the error and try to fix it on your own, because I need to get stuff done. All right. So raise your hand in chat if it's working for you, if you have it installed. And if you do, go to this link. Okay, we got 3 people. 3 people is good enough. Go to this link and is it working? Okay, Gowrish Batra says it works. You are Gowrish Batra in Twitch chat. Okay, this is what I wanted you to do, Gowrish Batra. I hope I'm saying your name right. Go to your settings up here, account, and connect to Twitch. And then switch your chat identity to Twitch. And I want everyone to do this just to test. And at least one person who has a channel membership to Ludwig, which is like a sub on Twitch. At least one person who has that has to test it. One thing you can't figure out how to do is connect to Twitch on Opera. It won't log in. It should just open up a window. Does it not open up a pop-up? Can I show it open that menu again? Yeah, there's settings in the top menu bar. Just sitting right here. Account, and then I'll just show you. Disconnect, connect. Boom, that pops up. It should like say Mogul TV wants to access your account. I'm getting messages a couple of seconds late. Pop-up doesn't open on Opera GX. Well, I can't fucking debug that because you're on Opera and it's not even supposed to work on Opera. Whale did. So Whaley, it worked for you. You're now logged in on your or on your Twitch, and you went here and you clicked on your Twitch here on your chat identity. Can you confirm this? Are you in my Twitch chat? What is okay? So you did that, and actually I can test this live. So we go to mogultv.ludwig.gg/gateway/users. Oh, Whaley. Okay, Whaley is using their Twitch account. You can see right there that they're on the list of users. If I reload, the only difference is they have a capital letter in their name. Oh, the fucking thing. It's not. I need to fix the chat not reloading again. And we can see that their name is now capitalized. Okay, so this is working. The Twitch thingy is working. Perfect. Now, the only thing that we need to test is we need to test whether or not it adds. Okay, Shoodles. Is Shoodles, you're the perfect test subject here. Are you logged into Twitch? And yeah, have you selected your Twitch identity? Because Shoodles, well, I actually don't know how long a sub you are on Ludwig's. How do you get that page up? There's settings in the top menu bar. But I actually have a list of all of Ludwig's subs, so I can check how many months you've been subbed. 9 months. Okay, I will confirm. Shootles. 10 months, actually. I just want to make No, I don't think there is a Tesla equivalent for Chrome extensions. I think you, like, I would do that if I could, but I literally think there's no way. Chrome Web Console. And it's so stupid because it's stuck on an old version. And oh, wait, did it get approved? It got accepted. Wait, hold. It got accepted in like an hour. Wait, that's crazy. But I still can't upload a new package? Hello? Like, this is an old version. This is like 2 versions old. Okay, Shoodles, you got your thing working? Okay, we're gonna wait until this syncs. It syncs every 5 minutes. So that it's not overloading my database. You can update the version after you publish, but it might have to go through approval process again to update. Yes, I expect that. Nice one, Puyo. I expect that to happen. I don't want to publish it because it's not done. This is like the old shitty version. Actually, oh wait, cancel publish. I can do that, right? Whoa, holy shit. Coded Prof, thank you for the 10 gifted. Holy shit. You're cracked and insane. Okay, wait. We see this. Okay, so many people have linked. Shoodles. We see B equals 10. That is the number of months you have been subbed. I will now reload the page. Okay. Pause champ. Shoodles. Let's go. Okay, wait. It adds 2 badges, but it worked. It pulled your subs. It added them on. Okay. Oh, okay. I just have to make it get rid of the old badge. I fucking forgot about that. I was adding a new badge instead of modifying the old one, but I can fix that. I can fix that. Okay. I literally have never tested that feature before, chat, so I'm glad that it at least is working to this extent. Okay. So that would be in modules users. And I think I'm literally just adding on another badge. So what I need to do is I just have to edit the existing badge. I just do member badge equals. I can do that, right? Oh. Wait. I guess I have to do like object.assign member badge and then this. Okay, that should be good. You should see a space for an inline but not extra badge. Try reloading the page. Because it should be working on your end. Okay, what was I doing? Yeah, we're gonna rebuild this. I have to refactor this entire thing still is the problem. But I just want this to be at a semi-stable state so that it can be released fast. And then I will basically rewrite all of the extension side. I have to rewrite everything from scratch because I'm also going to move the backend to be on Lambda instead of on Kubernetes. Daddy Broccoli, thank you for the 5 months. No dice. Oh, this is it not loading correctly. This is it. The chat didn't load. You can tell because it has images. If it has images, then the chat didn't load properly. Why am I using TypeScript instead of JavaScript? That's a very good question because there are so many things that are not that don't really get typed well. But yeah, there are parts enough that is good that overwhelms the bad. How am I accounting for the cold start with Lambda? No idea. I haven't even started working with Lambda yet. I just think it's smarter to be on Lambda because there really isn't anything that is like a long-lasting process. Okay. Every message you send gives you an error. I literally have never seen that before. How many followers do I have? Ooh, we're getting close to 10 or 100K. We will make it. Lambda is not like Kubernetes. Lambda is just like every single endpoint would be a different program that gets run by AWS. Is Twitch not going to raise any issues? I think Lud said that they didn't like us using emotes or something. I don't know. Or no, I think they just didn't understand what it was, and they thought we were like scraping the Twitch API, or like that I used the leaked source code or something. Okay, wait. How many people are... You've got the extension loaded on Chrome, but it's a ton of connection errors and 404 alerts. It wouldn't work if the ID of the extension is changed. So if you like unzipped it and then packed it, and then loaded it unpacked, it's gonna have a different ID and it's not gonna work. I expect that that's what it is. So your ID in here should say OFGPF. Shoodles with a fix. Turned off the custom theater mode and it works now. Not a coincidence, or it is a coincidence. That would not change anything. Chrome reloads sometimes infinitely. Chrome reloads? Like your entire YouTube page is reloading, or is it just the chat that's reloading? The chat, okay. I hate this so much. I hate the chat thing so much. It's so stupid. Because let me explain this to you, chat. Let me explain this. The thing that I'm doing to modify the YouTube like page, like add my custom shit up here and like make it so that messages have emotes in them, all of that, it needs to happen before YouTube loads. So I have to inject my code in before YouTube what am I trying to say? Before YouTube loads their code, right? My code always has to go first. Otherwise it will literally not work, and it won't work at all, and it's cringe. So there's a thing called run at document start, and what that is supposed to do is run your code literally before anything else happens on the page, right? But for some reason, when you run that code inside an iframe, which is like a web page inside a web page, which is what chat is, it just fucking doesn't work. It doesn't work. It loads my code afterwards every single time when the page loads, and then sometimes when I reload the iframe it works, and so, like most of the time it doesn't. I don't understand it, and I've looked at like Google Chrome bugs, and I can't, like, I found someone with a similar thing, and it's literally not solved. Like, this is literally just a bug in Google Chrome that makes it unusable. It's so stupid. On Opera's reloading the chat infinitely? Yeah, okay, so yeah. That's because the way that it's hacky and stupid. I shouldn't have to reload the chat at all. It should just inject it when it's supposed to inject it. which is before everything else. It literally happens after DOM content loaded, which is crazy, chat, because what DOM content loaded is, that's supposed to happen after the entire page is ready, right? That's supposed to happen after the entire page is ready, and it's happening. So that my extension is supposed to be injected before anything is ready. It's being injected after everything is ready. It's so stupid. Have I tried looking at other extensions that deal with this problem? No shot. Any other extension overrides Wisdom or window.custom-element.define. No shot. No shot. Any extension is, or any Twitch extension has faced this. Let me see if I can find the Chrome bug. Document.start all frames. I think this is the same bug. JavaScript environment can be modified by its creator before extension content scripts run at document start. This is not necessarily the exact same thing. It's very similar though. So yeah, the other use case of this, it's crazy. It's very crazy, but like there should be extensions, right? That there should be extensions that like remove certain features of the web of the browser so that they can't be used to fingerprint you and track you. Right? And so, wait, why is Pog not working? It's so stupid. And so what they can't do that because to get around that thing, pages can just make an iframe, and since my code gets executed after the iframe's loaded, they can just use the iframe to track you instead of the main page. So that is actually a serious issue. Now, when you change from that custom theater mode, is the settings button gone together? No. It's still there. It's always going to be there. Okay. Let me look really quick at my... No, I'm not going to do that. Sometimes the settings wheel never appears. Are you serious? What browser are you on? Fuck, that's the same thing, but it shouldn't happen on the main page. You're on Linux? It should just work then. I mean, I guess I just have to distribute it and tell people that it might not work sometimes and just refresh if it doesn't, but I hate that. I literally hate that, and it's not even my code. It's just that my code isn't getting run at the right time. There's nothing I can do to fix it. I'm gonna fix the... Wait, I did fix that. I fixed the thing where it has two badges. Let me just test if that works real quick. Just to keep myself sane. I will look at that DIY maker. There goes a reloading. Oh, it only took 3 times that time. PogChamp. Wait, now it doesn't even give you your badge at all. I wonder why that is. Let's see. Okay, let's just do this maybe. We push a badge and then we'll just remove the old one. Message.author badges equals message.author badges.filter B goes to B dot B not equals member badge. Let's go dev. No, we literally can't. Found the issue with the settings wheel. It seems ad blockers must be causing this. What ad blocker are you using? This is just a warning. I don't actually know if this works though. Let's do member badge index equals find index, and then const member badge equals message.author badges member badge index. Dot. Why is this number undefined? Oh, fucking. If message.author badges. Okay, where was I? We have the index, we have the badge, and now we just do message.author badges member badge index equals this. Okay, this should now work. Settings wheel also disappears with ad blockers off. Okay, what else can I use to test if this is working? I mean, I guess, is there any errors in your console? Do you see this that says auto loaded in and then the web page? And do you see these overriding things? That error 500 thing, I don't know why that would happen. I don't think it would happen on Chrome. Thank you for the Prime sub, Alex SW. Oh, I'm back to over 100 subscribers. That's cool. This is so stupid because I don't know how many of your guys' errors are because you're on Opera or whatever, or on a weird version of it. I literally can't make it so it works without an ID. That's kind of a bad question. Thank you for the Prime HD Plasma 420. Oh, it's a long way forward. Wait, is this working? Wait, why is it not working? Zach Brannigan. Azri, thank you for the Prime sub. And Rand's Goblin, thank you for the tier 1. Jester's Druid, thank you for the Prime. Holy shit. Your Pog. Ludwig Refugees, accepting all Prime subs here. Jay Maestro, thank you for the Prime. The Jiggy Joggy with the Prime. Appreciate it. And Portelio the Space Rider. I should just run the local dev server. I don't know why I'm... Oh, I can't because it doesn't have the user data. I literally have to, though. I can't live without being able to live reload. Okay, okay. This is what I'm going to do. No, I'm not going to do that. It would take too long. Okay, so why is it not loading the badges correctly? Question 1. To answer that question, we do something like this. We console.log member badge index. Okay, why am I seeing nothing here? That's really weird. I'm seeing nothing in the console. So we're just gonna print out message.author badges? Maybe there's no Drewsome has a badge. Like it should be printing out stuff for Shoodles and Drewsome. Also, like pop-out chat will just work better, I think. Never mind. It doesn't work at all. Wait, it's literally not working at all. Like, it's not even loading it. It works when I open up the developer tools. That's cool. 7TV and BTTB both do it in a really shit way, but I guess my way is shit because it just doesn't work, but my way is better. I'm super confused now. There has to be user info for it to be even in this loop at all. Okay, that's why it is. That's why none of this has been working. Okay, to solve this, we just go to Mogul TV. Actually, we're just gonna do some hacky temporary shit. You think caching is the issue? Very well might be, yeah. Um, I will look into that, Scazzy. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Why is fucking this not working? If you're getting it working, yeah, I have no idea why. Actually, I think that this is just because you're doing it in Opera. Like, it's literally just Opera's fault. Question is now, am I even getting the badges? Yeah, but you packed it with a different ID, Jude. Like, I can't trust anything that anyone says until you're actually on the actual version. Literally, the only person I can trust right now is myself. Is this wrong again because like it's a different ID or something? What's going on? No, it's the right extension ID. I'm literally you're no, Niddish, I'm banning you. Stop spamming that. Oh, maybe you haven't spammed it. Whatever. No, I'm not. No, literally Opera GX is not supported. You guys are insane. Um, didn't I have this exact issue earlier and now I'm like having the same issue and I can't figure out why it is? Anonymous, thank you for gifting Mr. Baggybug a sub. Um, well, no, I'm getting requests. It's just not fetching them. I guess I should just pack it. Literally not interested, Alex. Sorry. Okay, so it has loaded the data correctly. We do a little refresh, X3. Okay, who's the people who have badges? Wait, it's working. It's working for Zach Brannigan. Bobby Nimoy. It's not working for you because you haven't connected your Twitch account probably. Drewsome, you probably haven't either. QPixel working for you. Good, good, good. Okay. So the code is working. That's good. At least it works on my computer, which means it should work on everyone's computer, right? If it's perfectly good. I want to make this logo different. I think a couple of people suggested that. It makes sense to me now. Except I have to figure out how to get the image onto the page. No, I'm not going to make it the O. I'm going to make it the Mogul TV logo. Which is this. I wonder if I can just point it to the Discord CDN temporarily, at least. Can I run like Chrome pack extension? Whatever. Pretty sure there's a way to do that. What, did that not work? I didn't reload it. Oh, that's probably why it has been failing. I forgot to drag the CRX back in. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, beautiful. So I would. Oh, it actually looks kind of sick. Not gonna lie. I wonder if it would be more readable if it was black, though. Am I crazy for thinking that? What about light mode? I literally don't care about light mode, but... my eyes. Okay, it works in light mode. Let's temporary do this. Fucking upload this to Discord. Hold. In my private Discord testing server. Copy link. Paste the link. No. I actually don't know if that improves it. I don't think it does. Maybe a black outline, yeah. Oh, what you want from me, what you thinking? A black outline or like a drop shadow? Okay, here, I got an idea. Boom. Okay, watch this magic at work. Boom, we copy, new layer, fill transparency, paste, and then paste again to an even new layer, and then this one we do like that, and then we fill it with black by doing colors invert. I did the wrong one. And then we set the opacity down or something. Do we do that or just put a border on it is the question. Like if we do a drop shadow, grow radius, no, blur radius 0, or like 1 or something. X and Y both at 0. Opacity way up. Like that. What about that? I should actually just do this. Copy, paste, copy link. Does that look better? Does the outline need to be thicker? Or we could do something like this. Let's see what this looks like. It's just so small that it's hard to tell anything that's happening. So I have to be Ludwig 7? Not necessarily. I think it's good to be Ludwig 7. Guys, you can't connect to Twitch if you've unpacked it and then repacked it or loaded it unpacked. I think I might just keep it in the small size. Thank you for the tier 1 sub, Limikin. Holy shit, I've gotten like 700 followers today. You think it should just be the Ludwig 7 without the background? It's kind of good, actually. That's not bad. No, actually, it is bad. I'm gonna keep it like this. This is good. It stands out. It's the exact same icon, so there's no extra work. You can still tell what it is. It's fine. And then, yeah, I have to do light mode and dark mode. We're literally just going to use this. Now the question is, how do I get the actual asset URL of this here? I think we can do... I wonder if image source is covered by resin. No, not immature. Okay, this is actually trickier than you would think. I should just host it on mogul.tv. Oh, that's what it's called, Refuse. But I should host it on the server. And just serve it statically. Or I could grab it from the Chrome. Let me upload the actual logo. Oh, and I have promo tiles now as well. Am I crazy or is that stretched? Where did the promo tiles even go? I guess they go on like the search page or something. Did I mix them up? No shot I mixed them up. 920 by 680. $920 by 680. What? Why does it look like that then? Fine. I should probably take another screenshot. Nah, I'm too lazy. Anything else I need here? Google Analytics? Hell yeah, I should probably have that up. But I'm too lazy to do that right now. Thank you for the Prime sub, Quick Frost .ftw. Oh yeah, so now I should be able to get this the URL of this image. So I could use this, right? This URL. I hate hard coding it. Actually, I can just, no, I can't because it's hard because it's in this HTML file. So it's hard to not hard code it. We'll add a little class there. And then do a little CSS work on it. Why not put it in the extension? How do you want me to link from inside this HTML, which is getting dynamically compiled, to a JavaScript function, which is then getting roll-upped, and to get the URL to call a Chrome API that's not accessible from the content page? How exactly do you want me to do that? Oh yeah, I could just use base64 data, huh? That's smarter. Follow the sun. What do we wander from? Okay. What was I doing next, though? What am I gonna do next? I have to fix all the bugs. That should be easy, huh? Okay. Who was it who's, fucking... It doesn't work. Not the... Who doesn't have a settings button? And if you don't have a settings button, are you still in custom theater mode, or do you not have that either? It's a hash of your username, Puyo. Shoodles, give me your console. What's happening? Do you have the loaded in page, and do you have the overrides down here? Especially overriding YTD masthead? Hard code it so yours is pink. Talk and chat. Yours didn't override masthead, it did everything else? Shoodles, that's not it. You need to have another one. That's like at the top. Like at the top of the page. And it should just say loaded in, and it should just be the watch URL. So it's loading in live chat, but it's not loading in the home page. Where's Puyo? Do you think I should make this not fade out then, so people don't get confused? So it'd look like this in theater mode. Is this... Should I do this? You talked about Top Chat ate it. Nice. Puyo, you're not connected though. You literally don't have your Twitch URL. I'm not gonna hash your name for you. You gotta connect your thing. Shit, I just don't know if your guys' errors are my fault or Chrome's fault or the extension not being released's fault. Could be any. Even I'm not turning it on off by default. No one's gonna find it then, and everyone's being like, "Oh, why is it so bad?" Yeah, it's just going to be buggy at this point. Also, because the code is spaghetti. Haven't had the badge/images load for a while. You mean emotes as images? So do you have avatars next to people's names or not? You do. So it's the chat's not working. So you have neither chat nor settings. Is it? Oh, the bar disappearing? I'll just disable it for now. Well, also like the settings is there no matter where you are in the world. Like it's still here on the homepage. Dude, I hate stupid this. The theater mode not being large enough on stream screens with higher res than 1080p. You mean this? Like widescreen, like what I have right now? I think it's literally fine. I don't care enough to fix this. At least not in the first iteration. You're on Edge though, Shoodles. Are you on Chrome? Or are you on Opera? Okay, I can't trust you then. Sorry. um Okay, well, we got the new icon. We have our... Oh, this shit. Yeah. The stupid reloads. Okay. Who in here has like done the registry stuff and you have the correct extension? You just drag the CRX in, you didn't do anything else special. Raise your hand. And are you having any issues? Also, you guys are on old versions. Well, probably. You're having issues? Okay, let me look at your logs. They're not injection logs at all. Not even auto loaded in. Because that is weird. What are you on the latest version of Chrome? At YouTube Polymer.js. Are you on a different A/B test than me? Siobhan, and thank you for the tier 1 for 2 months. I feel like you're on a different version of the YouTube website. Am I crazy? I literally don't have YouTube Polymer.js. I have desktop Polymer.js. I think we have different versions of the site. And I know how to... Ludwig. Who are all these people? My chat, beta, testing. Did my message not work? Where are my messages? Can you guys see my messages? Hello? I can't see my messages though. He probably panic ended the stream. Okay, wait. I was testing this. Use a live chat. What? Hello? He's going to bed. Okay. That's fine. Oh, the emotes or the live chat is gone. It's ruined. He ruined it. He could have just he literally could have just not started the stream and it would just be sitting here. window.yt.config.innertube client version. Give me this. Is this the same for you, Skazzy? Just literally if you go to the go live page, go live. Oh, do I leak my stream key there? It creates a stream and you don't have to start it. It'll just sit there. I'm not yelling at you. I'm just more confident when I'm talking to Twitch chat. Man, imagine not being verified on Twitch. Couldn't be me. Literally couldn't be me. Thank you very kindly. Otto's Wacky Ride. I love it. Wow, now it didn't work for me. Now mine failed the injection. Did they like literally just change their website or something? Who's Haywood? I don't know who that is, Ludwig. Could you explain it to me? Oh, fuck. He got me. Why is this big again? What the fuck? Oh, am I on the old version? Yeah, I'm on the old version. Yeah, I think you could at least hit affiliate. Let me just build the newest version. I think, check this. It's like you don't have a masthead. It's like I swear your version of the website is different. Did you ever have it? Or not at all? This is the question. You did. This just happened? Fuck that. Stupid YouTube. It loads 90% of the time. And 95% of the time. Well, it didn't load on mine. Do I have the same error? Or the same? No, mine says overriding YTD map. Oh, wait. It loaded this time. Never mind. Yeah, they're literally live patching YouTube so it doesn't work. Kind of cringe. I need to fix the infinite loading. It needs a fallback. Like, I'm fine with it loading until it works, but like if it loads more than 5 times, it should just stop and give up at that point. I think. So wait, if I go here, if I do window.location.search equals, and then I plug this in and I add like and reload count equals 1. Does that refresh the page? It does. That refreshes the page. So I can literally just do that. Wait, what can I do? Why are there so many copies of it? Can I do like window.location.search params? Wait, does it not have the search params object? Okay, it doesn't. But I can do new URL search params window.location.search, right? .get continuation. That works, right? Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, the dislike thing, the video popped off or is popping off. Kind of PogChamp. That's 20k dislikes almost. Okay, so if window.location.href.includes live chat. Why am I in a split view? Okay. So if this document.readystate.loading, this is basically like it should or not equals loading. So what I'm basically doing here is if this got injected after the document was finished loading, then we know that it didn't work. So and then the rest of this is just checking if it's inside the chat frame. But I think I can get rid of this and instead do window.location.search. We'll do const query equals window.location or new URL search params window.location.search and query.get reload count. So either it's never reloaded or query.get reload count. Wait, let's say parse int undefined. That should give us not a number. I want to basically reload if the reload count is less than 3. Is NAN less than 3? It's not less than 3. So we do need to check this. So either it doesn't exist or wait, no, but that could be if it's 0. Well, it will never be 0. It'll always be 1 at least. Also, it's a string, so this wouldn't be a falsy value. Okay, so we want to reload if we got loaded too late, and either we've never reloaded or the number of times that we have reloaded is less than 4. You can reload a maximum of 5 times. Or I could just literally do this. And that would be cleaner. Then what I want to do is I want to do query.set reload count. I want to set the reload count to, well, first of all, I should extract this. I should do const reload count equals this. And then if reload count is less than 4, and then we want to set reload count plus 1 and that dot toString. And then we do window.location.search equals query.toString. Does not include the question mark. I think that's fine. Well, that does include the question mark, so I might as well do question mark plus. Okay, so that should be better. Am I gonna make the chat box bigger? How so? How could it be bigger? You mean wider? You mean taller, like this much taller? Didn't I decide that I wasn't gonna hide the top bar? You can still pop out of the chat, and it should work better if you pop it out. It doesn't even work at all if you pop fucking tell. What? Why? Why would you not work at all? I'm cringing right now. Also, why did my failsafe not work? Oh, the failsafe will work with the new version. Let's test the failsafe now. This time I will remember to load the extension. Got a packet. I could just give you guys my private key and then you could get it packed with the right ID. But I'm not gonna do that. Okay, it should be loaded. We reboot. Okay, the icon is the right size. We try pop out. It reloads. It reloads again. It reloads again. It reloads again. It literally hit the cap. It hit the reload cap. Why is it just not working, the pop out? That's crazy. What the fuck? It works the first time I reload it by hand? Hello? Is it because I have the dev tools open? Is that it? Like this disable cache thing? It's the cache? What? 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 Why is the cache fixing it? I'm cringing out of my mind. I'm literally cringing right now. I'm fucking... Why? Why? Okay. Let's look at the Network logs. Here we go. We're loading the normal page, and then it starts to load YouTube stuff. You shouldn't do that because okay, it loads all of this, and then it loads inject YouTube. Okay, inject YouTube is technically different from the YouTube index. This is the content script. The other one is an injected script. So we'll do console.log injector and then document.ready state. Fucking rebuild the whole thing. Boom. Boom. Reload. Injector loading. Injector loading happens before legacy data mixin shit. Loading. Wait, it's loading. So the injector happens in time, but the other thing doesn't? I wonder if that is true for the iframe in here as well. Let me get rid of all these errors because they're literally useless. Well, no, it doesn't. It still doesn't. It still doesn't. Yeah, so look at the order of operations here. This is the first time. YouTube gets injected first. Then I do. Then I do. The second time... Whoa. The second time, I got injected first, then YouTube, then the other injection. The third time, the injector, then me, then YouTube. Wow. Okay. Okay, well, fuck you then. Just... What am I supposed to do with that? What does this mean? This means that it would work better if it was synchronous. Okay, I want to test something that I saw online that I couldn't do because I didn't think it would work, which is if we create a script we'll just set it to type equals module script.async equals false and script.text content equals console.log test script. And then document element.append child script or S. And I literally forgot to name it S. Okay, so we tried this. YT Gaming Dev Team in chat? Oh shit. Susan in chat. Did you guys see this? Real quick. Where is it? I don't know what to think about this. This seems like a really, really good idea, honestly. Susan on the yard. I don't know. It's a bad idea? No, no, I don't think so. I think it's a great idea. It would be, I mean, they got to change up the formula, Every episode of The Yard is the same thing. And if they bring on a guest such as Susan, the CEO of YouTube, it would make it unique. I think it's a great idea. Anyway, what was I doing? Proceed. What was the last thing I changed? Oh yeah, I added the test script. So we got to test this. It's not working at all? That's weird. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, here it is. Does it not work if it's a module? Maybe if I make it text/JavaScript, it'll work. You think I have time to do Advent of Code while I'm working on this? You're insane. Wait, what? Why is it still not working? Oh. Oh, refuse to execute inline script because it violates the following content security policy directive. Either the unsafe inline keyword, a hash, or a nonce is required to enable inline execution. Okay, I can hash it. Wait, can I just do unsafe inline? Didn't I just... Oh, that has to go in the content security policy. So I have to get a hash of it. That's what it wanted, right? I actually don't know how this works. It should be base 64. Literally, why did none of these let me change it to base 64? Hello? Just let me do it in base 64? Holy shit. There we go. How do I set this hash? not Bitcoin. Signature. Signature is SHA-256. SHA-256 / this. Wait, they did it in hex. Oh, wait. Integrity. That's literally incorrect. And I can also probably just do s.integrity equals SHA-256. Boom. Okay. Wait, that didn't work? It has its integrity. Is it not integral enough? Take the hash out of the error. I guess it is just the same hash. Except as an equal at the end. No, it still didn't work. Maybe I try it nonce. Oh. Is this like checked on the... Hold. If I go here... Dude, stupid. Is there a content security policy? I don't see it. Okay, so it's just likely that it's not possible to inject a script like this. So that idea is dead in the water. Jenna, I thank you for the 3 months of tier 1. Coolio. This is still so stupid, though. It's like if I... Well, my cache is disabled. But it's based on... it's a race condition. There's literally just a race condition here. If you don't know what that is, it's when 2 pieces of code are basically racing to finish. And my code usually loses the race because... that's just how it works, because my code is getting injected in. And so what I'm doing right now, my current solution is just retrying it until I win. Which is stupid. That's dumb. I shouldn't do that. There has to be a better way. Make other race less efficient. I could interfere with a web request, I suppose, but that's stupid. I'm timing you out. Niddish plays. You're annoying. No, they don't use IRC, which is unfortunate because it makes it less live. Thank you for the 7 months, Abdul Rahman. Chrome, document, start, race condition. This is from 2010. What is the status of this issue that I'm reading through right now? Assigned, open. Nice. This issue has been available for over a year. Nice. No one cares about this. This is actually interesting. Chrome extension content scripts that are run at document start do run before document.readystate has reached interactive. That is a lie. I can confirm that that is a factually incorrect statement. I have this. This is my code. This is literally my exact code. Yeah, this is just to say that repo stack overflow threads. I just went to page 2 of Google results. This is sus. Oh, I'm so annoyed at this. I could have sworn that this was also working at some point. So yeah, it just doesn't work in a pop-up window. Not at all. What if I open this window here? Weird. It works if you do it not in a pop-up window with the same exact URL. I'm fucking tired. Obviously, that shouldn't happen, Scazzy, but I literally don't care because I can't. I need to fix this. I need to listen to this. I'm thinking. Possible solutions to play with are what? What are the solutions? What if running it at document end somehow works? Because that should still be before the document is ready. We could try that. Experiment a bit. What if I can slow down YouTube's requests or modify their script tags somehow so that they're deferred? That might break YouTube, though. That's not the goal. That's probably unrealistic. What if loading the script as a module makes it asynchronous, and that is the cause of the race condition? And maybe that's why I didn't see it until recently, because I only had the script loaded as a module recently. That's possible. So in which case I would have to remove the code splitting. Okay. Someone write these down. My eyes are closed. Other possibilities. Are there any other ways to inject this code in? Probably not. I would have to intercept the HTTP request, and I know that that is not something that is easy to do. I also think that it's literally impossible to change the response contents, the body. So that's not realistic. That's one of the first things I tried when I was exploring how to do this. Figure out some way, go back to the text content instead of loading it from an extension URL. It would make it messier, but I think it might be synchronous instead of asynchronous. What else? I think that's it. Okay. Did someone write these down? I forgot everything I just said. Also, Cuckoo, thank you for the Prime sub. I was meditating, so I didn't see it. Um... Uh, you messaged me about 30 minutes ago, Bavita. I don't know if that's how you pronounce your name. What? Do you have a solution to this? Oh yeah, document end event. I forgot about that. I want to try that real quick. It might just like not work at all. Probably it won't. But worth a shot. Maybe document start is just buggy and document end is not buggy. Now we got nothing. Yeah, we got nothing now. Yeah, nope. What about document idle? That should be even worse, technically. Yep, nope. Worth a shot, I guess. Page doesn't load it. It automatically reloads if it fails to inject. I got the no button bug. Well, yeah, I just injected after. Right? It's just the same thing. It's the same race condition. It just happens less often on the main page. Or it just doesn't work at all ever again. That's also an option. Dude, why was this stable during development? I guess maybe because every time I made a change to it, it automatically reloaded. Look at this code. Hardly any shot that this is helpful, but we'll look at it. So if we look here, our manifest, they're not even running at document start. No, yeah, there's no shot. They're only accessing the DOM. Like, I need to access the window object. Yeah, they're just ignoring the race condition. They don't care. Maybe this. No, you're literally incredibly wrong. Don't try to help me in the future. No offense. plus your hood watches stands now. True. Chrome extension race condition inject. Oh, this is what I want to know. Oh, just add it to run at document start. This guy is injecting a string as the code, which I think we decided doesn't work because of the YouTube content security policy. Boom, 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 boom. Why are there so many sites that are just yoinking from Stack Overflow? Like both of these second to three answers. Oh, they have ads. I don't understand why people don't block ads more often. I was literally already on this page. Starred by 311 users. Starred by 311 users, and literally it was made in 2015. Starred by 300 people, and they haven't fixed it yet. Page 2. Bum, 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 bum. You think I should port this to Firefox? You're so crazy. you think after all of this, it's a good idea to also try to make it work on Firefox? Why not make it a user script? Do user scripts work? Like, would I be having this? Would I not be having this issue if it was a user script? If so, why? Like, there's no shot. It has to be extension pearls. But could I yoink some code from a user script? Violent Monkey is open source. Isn't Tamper Monkey open source? It's proprietary. Oh. It's old and the newer ones are. Violent Monkey. All right, we need to find the thing in here that injects scripts. We'll search for create element script here. Nothing. Okay, that's crazy. Is there a manifest in here? Works on browsers with web extensions support. Oh, that's literally just... Okay, never mind. I thought that was like some custom thing. Where's the manifest here? I don't see it. Yeah, YML must be compiled down. So somewhere in here there is injected.js and injectedweb.js. Okay, so those are the things they're running at document start in all frames. Okay, that's literally what mine are doing. So far, no change between my code and its code. Now, injected. What is this doing? I don't know. I don't have the brain power to read through all of this. Oh, someone recommended this like an hour ago. Priority very high. Can I do that? It's an experimental feature in Chrome 96 plus. What version of Chrome am I in? 98 or something, right? Preload? Can I preload scripts? No, that's link rel preload. Preload as script. What if I do this? Would this improve it somehow? Be wary of how preloaded resources can jump the queue and be requested sooner than they should. That's exactly what I want to happen. Okay. Const link equals document dot create element link. Link dot, holy shit. My typing. Link dot rel equals preload. Link dot as equals script. Link dot href equals this. Document dot document element dot append child link. Maybe this works magically. I would be very happy. No shot. It only had to reload twice that time. Holy shit. Also, the emotes don't work. I guess old emotes don't work sometimes. And then sometimes... Why? Why must it be like this? Okay, now it's just not working at all. At all. What the fuck? No, yeah, it's just like incredibly worse in every way. I think the problem might be that YouTube is just running a bunch of inline scripts. Like, inline scripts probably happen first, no? Thank you for the tier 1 sub, Cat and Hat. Hold up. Need some help? Yes. If you can solve this, I will be very happy and grateful. Sybil, thank you for the Prime sub. Any other primers? Check if you have it available real quick. Also, follow the stream. We literally gained 1,000 followers tonight. I'm at 99K. Be insane if I got to 100K. I'm not rewriting the chat. I'm not going to do that. I don't have time. I might later. I do not have time now. Noble Intentions, thank you for the Prime. I'm going to console.log document.head. It's just not working at all now. I'm so annoyed at this. It's so stupid. Like, I feel like it's just gotten worse throughout this whole stream. How the fuck am I supposed to block the YouTube scripts? Tell me. Tell me how to block scripts from loading Racksto coding. Please. I would be so happy. Hold up. Hang on for 1 second. No, that was just a false positive. It gave me hope for a second, and then it didn't work. It's still just as bad, honestly. Cool. Try prepending it. Good idea. Does it work? Worked once. Failed. This is it now. Nice. Where did it put them? Oh, here they are. Could I explain the bug to the 5 heads joining now? Yeah, let me explain what's happening. So, in order to modify YouTube's user interface, including adding emotes, adding this custom button at the top, I have to inject JavaScript into the page, right? And by nature of how I am doing this, my JavaScript needs to be injected into the page before YouTube's JavaScript, which you would think would be possible, right? Because what I'm doing in my extension is I'm running at document start, which should be before anything else happens. But for some reason, this does not work as it should in Google Chrome. And instead of running before everything else, it runs at some time near the same time as everything else, which means that sometimes when you reload the page, it works properly, and equally often it does not work at all. So what we're trying to do is figure out how to make this consistent. And it's not looking good. Could I adopt my approach to inject to document end? You mean rewrite my entire code in order to not require being injected first? I would love to be able to do that. I cannot. Try making it sync instead of async thing. What do you mean by that, Puyo? Could I try putting the run at after the matches? Yes, I will try putting the run at after the matches. I'm sure that will help. I literally already did that, Puyo. I tried that just now. As you can see, it is no longer type equals module, is type equals text JavaScript. Async equals false. What about the priority things? Script.priority. Just debug and figure out why it isn't loading first. That is an awful message. My code is not editing page elements. It needs to be injected before any page elements are created, as it modifies a script that YouTube uses to create page elements. I don't see any documentation for how to actually do this. You can, importance attribute, high. So we want to set importance high. Worked on the first try. It will not work on the second try. I can confirm that. It's literally gotten worse. It's because it's inconsistent. It's just random. Shut up about HyperChat. It literally will not help me in any way, shape, or form. Because they use an entirely different system. Why does it work every time on the first try? It's probably because the cache is getting clear or something. I'm not clearing cache every time. That would make everyone's YouTube slow. Also, I don't know how to do that. I don't think it's possible. Would my script from a different path every time so we can't catch it? Worked on the first try. I wonder if it will work on the second try. What? It didn't work? I'm so surprised by this change and turn of events. Document.head. Maybe I should be appending it to the head instead of the document element. Const target equals document.head or document.document element. It worked on the first try. It failed on the second try. It's literally already prepending. Who just said it will work with head prepend? Puyo, read my fucking script. Oh, this might be a helpful link, although I doubt that there's a question. Then your code will run truly before everything else, while DOM is still not parsed. Wow, thanks. That's totally a true fact. I mean, this hypothetically works. But, you know, it doesn't actually work like most things. Am I sure there's no way for me to load the things afterwards? Let me test that real quick. I doubt it. I have 95% certainty that it will not be that easy. But, you know, might as well try. So we're going to experiment with doing this with I'm lagging out the page with too many console.logs. I wonder if that's a valiant strategy. Change the iframes URL. You might be correct there, actually. I will try that next. So what I'm looking for here is YT live chat text message render. Am I looking for that? Need something simple that I can test with, such as the masthead, I guess. There's like it's not loading the thing that it should be loading right here. Oh, there we go. Failed to save to temp variable. Thank you. Thank you very much. I have to probably do this. Yeah, no, I don't think this is gonna work. Is it? It's not just gonna, it's not gonna re-render the whole page. Thank you for the tier 1 sub, Bennett. No extension works like my extension does, unfortunately. The chat frame, we were going to try to make it non-cacheable. Why would you ever think that's going to work? It's already not cacheable. Yeah, I know. My script also loads at document start. I'll take a look at it. They have a different content script for the iframe. Oh, because they're just not doing the same thing that I'm doing. Like their manifest. Yeah, no, that's not gonna help. Oh yes, I was gonna go here. And try to randomize this URL. I wonder if it'll work on the first attempt. I don't give a shit, Olympus. I'd rather have it working than fix it for 1% of the audience who can just turn off the feature. It literally didn't even work on the brute this time. Who suggested the randomization? It also like sometimes just doesn't work when I take out this console.log. Wait. The console.log isn't here. Hold up. I took out the console.log and it's not working. Wait a second. Okay, it worked on the first attempt. What about the second attempt? Nope, it did not. Worth a shot. Okay, I think I'm getting a better idea of this right now. Although, I still don't know why it sometimes doesn't work on the top frame. I guess it's just a race condition. Here's the race condition. Let's see. It's the same thing. The injector still gets loaded before the page does. I just need to get around the content security policy. That's it, right? I just need to be able to inject this script as a text node. Or I do like a blocking XHR. Right? Right. Because this is injected first. If I could run code straight from the content script, it would be good. But I can't because I need to access the window object. So, like, right here, you can see this, chat. Like, even if you don't know how to code, you can tell what's happening here. I'll take off the error. My injector is loading. This line is YouTube loading. And this line is the custom stuff loading. If I could have the custom stuff loading up here, it would be before YouTube, right? And technically, some part of my code is running up here. So it should be possible, technically, right? And I think what the problem is that it's, since I'm injecting a script tag into the page, the script tag then has a URL that it has to fetch the JavaScript from. So it's not executing synchronously, it's executing asynchronously because it's stupid to load JavaScript synchronously, right? So if I could load it in as text, right? It would just be there, loaded before this is, and it would run before this does, and we wouldn't have to worry about the race condition. Although this is also a script. Like, this is not inline code. In fact, if we look at the source of the page, we can find out where desktop.polymer.js is. Oh, they're preloading their fucking script. Look at this. Link as script rel preload. They're preloading their script. Oh, hold up. They render your script async. Here's a flawlessly working solution. A flawlessly working solution? Okay. Wait, this is... Okay. So what's happening here? Oh, shit. It's storing the contents of the script in local storage. It's encoding it as base 64. Is that a 2016 answer? Yes, it is. So this is kind of ingenious. And by ingenious, I mean ingenious. It's also using document.write. I'm pretty sure this is a synchronous XHR. No, it's asynchronous. I don't know. Yeah, malware strats, exactly. I think it's just the text content, though, maybe. I just need to get rid of that, and their script is being preloaded, so maybe... Yeah, wait, like, their script is being loaded... Where's the body? Where's the page body? Hello? There's no body? What? There's actually no body? Where's the head end then? Oh, there is a body. Oh, it is. Yeah, okay. Okay, here's the body. And this is on line... What? 20. And then if we find desktop polymer... I don't know why searching is so bad in this. Is my internet down? My stream crash? No, still alive. This is all the way down here on line 81. Although that is the main page, which still works most of the time. In this one, the culprit is live chat polymer, which is still in the body. It's not in the head. It's literally in the body, and it's getting executed before my code. How is that possible? Literally, how is that possible? I don't understand that. I need to take a piss. Other YouTube extensions don't load the thing before YouTube because they use inferior techniques that are actually apparently superior, but also more laggy. My technique is the least laggy, the least obtrusive. But also it doesn't work. Dude, I'm actually gonna hit 100,000 followers tonight. That's crazy. 890 more to go. Okay, this is gonna be temporarily very ugly before I make an actual solution for it. But what we're gonna do is grab this. Corvusau, thank you for the 3 months of Prime. That's what the other one was doing? Malakran? What other one? Man, this is literally like what puzzle games must be like for chat, except you can actually backseat here and you literally don't know the answer. I use Arch. Yeah, BTW. Just a casual inject. Okay. Very clean. Not dirty at all. Why are there errors in this? Oh, it's because it's just dumb. Why do we use TypeScript? Because it's objectively better than JavaScript. TypeScript file size is bigger, not compiled. Okay, we're trying this real quick. Okay. So it's refusing to execute the inline script because it violates the nonce thing. And nonce HTML So script source content policy, script.nonce. And shouldn't I just be able to steal the nonce from one of the other scripts? Like console.log document.query selector script.nonce. Yeah, can I just yoink that like that? Are they all the same between all the scripts? Yeah, literally all of them are the same. So don't mind if I do a little yoinkage. Failed to execute inline script? Seriously? Still? Where did it put it? In the head, probably, right? Here it is. Wait, where's the nonce? The nonce is gone. It took my nonce away. How did it take my nonce away? Those fuckers. Wait, but it's still there. Y5 wow. It's the same thing. Wait, I don't actually get this then. Oh, lag. You set attribute? Can't you like not do that? Did I read that wrong then? You can't get attribute it. Maybe you can set attribute it, I suppose. It worked that time. Failed to refuse to execute the inline script because it violates the content security policy. But why does it? Roxos, it literally doesn't work. What's going on? Oh, my RAM usage. Ugh. Holy shit. What can I get rid of? You can get rid of you. Get rid of you. Get rid of some of this, I suppose. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get like 64 gigs of RAM when I upgrade my computer. DDR4, DDR5, no clue. Oh, that's what nonce means. Number used once. Very creative. I'm gonna curl this page and see what the content security policy is. Wait, okay, good. I was trying to hide the window that came up, but it came up on my other monitor. Oh, it literally didn't even leak anything. Okay. Headers. Content security policy. Wait, there literally isn't even a content security policy on this page. Am I wrong? I'm not seeing it. We got cache control. We got pragma, expires date, frame options, report to, cross opener policy, permissions policy, XSS protection. There's no content security policy. So why is it fucking failing? Is it like a meta tag? No, not a meta tag. What if I do this? Boom, boom, boom. Did I just break YouTube entirely? Looks like it. All right, undo, undo, undo. Wait, I think I see what it... No, I literally have no idea what it did. Okay. Um... We Googled this. Chrome extension. Inject inline script. CSP. These are from 2016. Oh, that's why. They try to prevent you from injecting any kind of code. And that happens to include script blocks. Yeah. Morning, Rilla. Although it is 3 a.m. for me, it's technically night. But there's still got to be a way because... Didn't one page say you could do it with a hash? Boom. Whoa. Whoa, wait a second. This is PogChamp. This isn't even on YouTube side. This is on my side. Oh. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait 1 second. We grab this code. Do a little quick strat I like to call go to Firefox and use the copy command to copy it. We go to wherever I was calculating a SHA-256. I can't tell. Wait, I can just yoink it from here. Okay. Then we go to our manifest, content security policy. Script source self. Paste that in there. And then Prage, like your life depends on it. Oh, there's already an error. Oh, okay, wait, no. This is fine. They just changed it. We don't have that emote. Well, I don't have FFC turned on, so it's fair that way. Where the fuck is the file extension? Oh, here, manifest file format. Content security policy. What oops. What is this? Extension pages. Pages in your extension including HTML files and service workers. Sandboxed extension pages? Are those content scripts? Okay, we'll just do it for both then. Failed to load extension. Insecure CSP value. Why? I think this is only on the sandbox or the extension pages one. So if we remove that, maybe it'll work. But also maybe the sandbox is the one we care about. Yeah, that works. It loads, but does it actually load? Does it work? Wait. Did it work? Hold. Did it work? Where's my script? Wait, I can't find it. Oh shit, I think I might need to restart the extension. Yeah. It wasn't even working. Oh, it doesn't even restart. Oh, great. Okay, never mind. Fuck me. Is this just outdated? Because this seems to be implying that it should work. Wait, Chrome extensions will yet let you relax the content security policy. Where's the documentation on that? This? This is not helpful. Yeah, I can't sandbox it. I need to inject it into the page. Ugh. Um. I just opened like 5 links and none of them were helpful. Maybe this is helpful. I was thinking here about Shaw. Like, can I use this potentially? Hit some hard. Please explain how to do that, and I will do it. We don't need this nonce. It literally doesn't do anything. Oh yeah, the extension doesn't turn on. Insecure CSP value in directive script source. Why? Why? What? Why? This is another fucking copy from Stack Overflow website. Pick the script elements and remove them from the DOM. What? Like, remove all the scripts and then just add them again? I'll try it. Okay. Does this work? Literally no. That's really weird. What happened to my script at all? Did it even run? Oh, the extension is not running. The extension is not running. Alert, alert. The extension was not running. That was not a fair test. It still doesn't work. It was that. Is that serious? It still didn't work? Holy shit. Wait. That's actually insane. Even with that, it didn't work? What if I don't put the scripts back? Captain Tornky, thank you for the prime. No, this is not public source code. Do you guys hear that? I think my YouTube lagged. Can I still say stuff? I removed the scripts and I did not put them back and it still works. That does not make sense to me. Am I wrong? What was different that time? I can't even see my messages. Once a script element is loaded remotely, it doesn't accomplish anything. Yeah, that's what I thought. I don't know why I believe chat. Any other brilliant ideas? You think Michael Reeves knows how to do this? No one knows how to do this unless they've specifically done this exact thing before. I'm not calling Michael. I don't know him that well. Oh, Ludwig would talk to me. Oh, never mind. That's fine. Is Bavita still here? She literally baited me and then never told me if she knew how to solve it. Um. Let's see here. We could listen to this song. Oh. Thank you for the 3 months of tier 1, Alf. Does it always work if you control F5? That's a good question. Luxury funded sub, let's go. No shot. You're literally wrong, Sammy Nami. That's I need to do inline scripts. Roxo coding, what the fuck do you think I've been trying to do for the last half an hour? I can't set the text content because you literally can't do that in a Chrome extension without modifying the content security policy. Yeah, please only backseat if you know exactly what the solution is. Total eclipse, honey, talk to me. I'm cringing. Cringy. We're still having it happen where the injector is on time and the injection is late. Yeah. Yeah, expected. We just need to get the script to execute earlier. How do we do that? JS make script execute first. What if I make every other script defer? Well, I succeeded in breaking the website. I'm again manipulating the DOM after the scripts were already loaded and executed. How am I doing that, though? How is that possible? Because I'm console.logging up here, right? Injector. Loading. Here it is. Wait, it worked that time, but that's a fluke. Ah! Wait a second. It doesn't work when it works. Which gives me a clue. No, this actually makes sense, chat. I will explain it in a second. I want to test out this hypothesis. Ah? What did I say? It doesn't work when it works. Yeah. And it works when it doesn't work. So, what this is telling me... let me explain this. Right now, the part that modifies Twitch chat to add emotes is not working, but the chat itself is working. If I reload, now the part that is modifying Twitch chat is working. I can tell because of what's being printed out here. But the website itself is not working. Which means that setting the script to defer breaks the website. Right? And what that means is that all or nothing, this and this, is either before or it's either early enough or it's too late. Right? Because it's all or nothing. Either like, okay, this chunk of code breaks the website, this chunk of code makes the website work. Or injects this chunk adds emotes, this chunk breaks the website. It's all or nothing. Either both happen or neither happen, right? Are you guys getting it? So what's that tell us? Well, it tells us that the problem isn't necessarily the script itself. We can't necessarily change the script. Just setting the script to async, setting the script to execute first, that doesn't matter because setting the other scripts, it makes it fail anyway. Like, no matter what properties we put on the script, no matter what, it's going to fail. Because this is completely unrelated and this is also order dependent. I can't articulate myself, chat. What do I do now? No idea. I feel it in the pain of my stomach. I just wanna You think I need to rewrite it using another method? You don't understand how difficult that is. The song is by James Ivy. I think it's Snakes. Another option? No, that's not even an option. I said. Is there another way to access the window object? Can I access it from the background? No. Can't you just have the script check new messages and if they're remote, replace them with an image? Yes. That's literally what I'm doing. How the fuck do you think I would inject that without doing what I'm currently doing? Is this another fucking stealing the Stack Overflow website? My best yeah, yeah, damn, that's what should work, but it doesn't. Yeah, don't take it personally, Rockso coding. It's 4 a.m. I will end stream in 9 minutes. Thank you for the subs, Skazi. Let's see here. Thank you for the tier 1 sub, Jacko boy. And thanks for the gift sub as well. They're sure to runtime. Document.getElement or no .query selector. Why are there so many copies of the extension running? Hold up. Quit Chromium. Launch Chromium. Okay. No, it's not because of the extravagant amount of things. Okay, I need you guys to send some messages in chat. Not this chat. Okay. Okay. This should be possible. This should be possible. This function works there. This function... No, that doesn't work there, does it? Well, let's actually see real quick. Oh, no. No. There's no... Okay. So here's the thing, chat. There's only one chat list, and the chat list is what I'm using to add emotes to the messages. And that allows me to overwrite the function because there's only one of them. But because there's multiple message objects, I can't, like, if I override the message method on one message object, it won't override it on all of them. Unlike what I'm doing here, which overrides it on all of them because it's at the template level. Why does the script need to be first? Because it's injecting code into the method that YouTube uses to create custom elements so that I can overwrite the functions in the templates of the custom elements. Drinking whiskey that you brought me. I don't know everything. Send some more messages. In this chat. Oh shit. Oh shit. I can edit the prototype and it works. Okay. Okay. That's 2 of 3 use cases that will work with the new system without too much code change. 2 out of 3. The last one is maybe the hardest, because what I can do with the system I've currently made, let me just walk you through this. See how everyone's name is green? That's because I overwrote it so that everyone would become a channel member. On the client side, of course, not on the actual reality. So look at this, chat. When you're writing HTML, for those of you who haven't, which is probably most of you, you have some basic elements, right? You got like your P, which is like a paragraph, and a div, which is just like a box. And YouTube, what they do is they have custom elements like YT live chat author chip. So if you look at what a YT live chat author chip is, it's, let's see, YT live chat author chip. It's this, right? It's outlined in blue right there. That's what it is. That's what the object is. And what I allowed myself to do is modify what a YT live chat author chip shows up as. So what I could do then is attach custom things to it, such as, you know, if I wanted to move the avatar to the right side of the name, or make the avatar be hidden entirely. All of those things are achieved by modifying the template, right? The template that is filled with like whose name it is and like what badges they have and whether or not they're a moderator, so on and so forth. Are you following, chat? Right. Right. So that's super easy. Like, look here. I literally just added a single colon at the end of the author chip so that it would look like Twitch chat, right? Because in Twitch, there's a colon, and you can see, because it's not loaded right now, there's no colon here. So I just had to type this colon, and it was that easy to change what it looks like, which is really, really helpful. Like that allowed me to develop all of this stuff very rapidly. And the ability to do that is what I spent a lot of time on at the beginning. I spent a lot of time getting this set up. And now it's turning out that it actually is inefficient, and it only works if my code gets ran before YouTube's code, which you would think would be possible, but apparently it's not, which is disappointing, but I guess we have to live with it. And so we just need to find one way to make it so that I don't have to load this code in at the start of the page, and I can instead just change it at runtime. I don't know how that is yet. I don't know how that's going to work. But like, if we look at what this is, does it have like a template object? Yeah, it has a template object. If we look at this template, we can see the author name and the chat badges, right? So let's take this template here. Oopsies. And let's see if we can add the colon to it. Template dot append child. Well, let's make it first const colon equals document dot create element span or colon dot text content equals, and I'll put a colon there, and then we'll do template dot append child colon. And what does that do for us? If we look at the template, we have the colon here. It's not inside this document fragment, which is probably important. So let's see if we can do template.document fragment node? Interesting. Template.inner HTML. What if we can edit this directly? If we do template.inner HTML equals, and we just add a bit of a little colon there. Let's look at the template now. Does it show up? Yes, there it is. And there it is on the page. Let's get some more messages to make sure that wasn't a fluke. Is it broken or is no one talking? It's not broken. Okay, that's the solution. We can access the template objects at runtime. The only downside to this is that if there are messages created before it loads, then they will not be modified. They will be the old ones. But I don't give a shit because it doesn't matter. At least it will work. And this will work 100% of the time because it doesn't rely on loading first. And it's fucking 4 a.m. for me. So I'm going to go to bed, and tomorrow morning I'm going to implement this. I might stream it. So make sure you follow. I'm tired. And this should be good. This is good. Thank you to everyone who came out and tried to help. I appreciate it. Also, like, so much support this stream. If I'm holding 1,000 viewers consistently, then I will stream more, because it's very, very, motivating. Like after Minecraft dropped off, I was getting like 100, 400 viewers, and that was demotivating. But if I can pull 1,000 viewers when I'm just coding, then that's pretty sick. So yeah, good night everyone, or good morning to most of you.